Hello, I'm Lynn. I've travelled from Scotland to do a one-to-one workshop with GMB Akash here in Dhaka, Bangladesh. I chose to come and do the workshop with Akash because I've followed him online for quite some time now. And I've always admired his photography and more especially his approach to his photography, his empathy and kindness towards the people. And that's what I wanted to experience, his connection with his people here in Bangladesh. The workshop has more than lived up to my expectations. Akash has taken me all over Dhaka to all sorts of very interesting locations. And we've met all sorts of people going about their daily lives, their work, their play, and it's been very interesting. Akash has been an excellent mentor. He's taken time to learn about me and my photography, and he observes how I've worked in the field so that he can make suggestions as to how I can improve. Each location that we've gone to, he's explained what we're going to be doing, and he's made suggestions as to compositions that I can think about. We've spent all day, every day together. I've been very lucky and I've travelled to many places, but I think Dhaka is the craziest place that I've ever visited. It's noisy, it's colourful, it's full of energy. And at the centre of that chaos is the Bangladeshi people. Everywhere we've gone, I've been met with friendly curiosity, warmth and generosity. I've been given flowers, sweets, cups of tea. And when we were photographing at the station, I was invited to homes and villages. The workshop hasn't just been about photography for me. One of the reasons for coming to Dhaka was to meet the people, and that's exactly what we've done. Every day we've met so many different people in the different locations that we've been to. I've learned about the Bangladeshi people, about their culture and how they work. And for me, the experience always comes before the photography. I would definitely recommend this workshop to everyone. Spending one-on-one time with Akash is an excellent way to learn. I would like to say a big thank you to the people of Bangladesh who welcomed me with their hearts and their minds. And hopefully one day I'll come back and experience this again.